In this tutorial, we'll show you how iSmartWorks makes it simple to publish forms so they can be accessed publicly while also keeping control over who can view them. We'll be going over the following: publishing public forms and accessing public forms via the website. Publishing public forms. Making a form public is quite simple. All you have to do is click on the My Form section of the menu bar, and on the right three dots of the form that you want to make public. We see the option for edit, click on that. Now you have to switch it from private to public by clicking on this button here. This will generate a code which you can provide to other people, and people with this code can access your public forms. And once you're happy with it, click on Save. Accessing public forms via the website. To access the public form on the website, go to the sign-in page and find the button that says Submit Public Form. Click on it and enter the access code that you were provided with. Once you have entered the access code, click Submit. You'll be taken to the form page where you can fill out information here. Then, scroll down to hit Submit once you're done. And that's it. Making forms public is quick, secure, and convenient for people outside your organization to access your forms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us on social media.